5 new piezo components for industrial applications. Very simple mounting on a panel, compact dimensions, or convenient machine assembly on a PCB. These are some of the advantages of 5 piezo transducers and buzzers by DB Products. Check the extended product offer for acoustic signaling in industrial applications. This article was prepared by Martin Brestovic, product specialist from SOS Electronic. Nowadays, a large part of industrial equipment has some kind of acoustic output, or at least acoustic feedback. For example, confirmation of pressing a button or other choice on the control panel or display with a touch panel, HMI, or acoustic signaling of some, for example, malfunctioning condition requiring operator intervention. Transducers and buzzers by DB Products. In all the mentioned cases, various small transducers and buzzers are typically used. Piezoelectric, electromechanical, with or without a DC driver, that is, converters known as transducers and many others. For all such applications, we have a solution in the form of acoustic components from the well-known manufacturer, DB Products Limited. The main strengths of DB Products include a very wide and comprehensive range of high-quality acoustic components at affordable prices, as well as professional technical advice and services. As part of its services, the manufacturer even offers the design and production of new solutions exactly according to customer requirements, says Martin Brestovic, SOS Electronics product specialist. From the wide range of DB products, we have selected the most requested types for our stock offer, so that they are immediately available for your projects. DC piezo buzzers on panel. The piezo buzzer with a transducer named 21S3120NLFEA006 is interesting primarily because of its extremely simple mounting on the panel using a nut from the back. Its diameter of 32 mm is the industry standard for similar buzzers with this type of mounting. And for this size, it achieves a very good volume of 85 decibels, 3 kHz, 12 volts. Here, we want to emphasize that the sound intensity measurement took place at 100 cm and not at 10 to 20 cm, which is often the case with miniature types. So in reality, this piezo buzzer is significantly louder than other products with seemingly the same parameters, if the sound power was measured at a distance of 10 centimeters. This piezo buzzer is an ideal solution for industrial applications thanks to a wide supply voltage range from 5 to 28 volts DC and a working temperature range from -30 to +85 degrees Celsius. In addition, the connection using fasten-type knife connectors and the size of 4.8 x 0.6 mm simplify further assembly in the application. AC piezo transducers without driver and with wire leads. Simple, universally applicable piezo transducer without driver and with wire outputs 185 PZ10 320 LF-LA has small dimensions with a diameter of only 10 mm and an input AC voltage of up to 30 volts peak to peak. The wire terminals contribute to the universality of the use of this type of piezo transducer. AC piezo transducers without driver and in SMD version. The third group of new acoustic components in our warehouse includes 3 small SMD piezo transducers. Thanks to the SMD design, they are very space-saving, and of course, they support machine mounting, also known as SMT or pick-and-place assembly, but also soldering by reflowing in an oven, the so-called reflow process, continues Martin Brestovic. The universally applicable SMD piezo transducer 186PZ14330LF-RMP has dimensions of 14 x 14 x 11 mm, a volume of 80 decibels, 5 volts, 3.3 kHz, and an input AC voltage of maximum 30 volts peak to peak. SMD piezo transducer 189PZ12400 LFMP003 without driver is interesting for its parameters. It has only 12 x 12 x 3 mm, volume of 75 decibels, 3 volts, 4 kHz, and maximum 25 volts peak to peak. We have a special tip for you. The hole through which the sound comes out is located on the side. It is a very convenient solution for some specific applications when you need to place the piezo component on the edge of the PCB. The last of the novelties is the miniature piezo transducer without driver, 246PZ09400 LFMP. It is a very small SMD piezo transducer with dimensions of 9 x 9 x 1.8 mm and parameters of 65 decibels, 3 volts, 4 kHz, maximum 25 volts peak to peak. The ideal solution for space-critical applications. From now on, you can find all the mentioned piezo transducers and piezo buzzers by DB Products in our permanent stock offer with immediate availability and attractive prices. DB Products' portfolio includes many other audio components, which we are happy to provide for you upon order. For the complete catalog and an overview of the entire product range by DB Products, please visit our website. Are you interested in more information about DB Products or technical advice when choosing a product, or do you have another question or request? Please contact us at soselectronic.com. We will be happy to help you.